The tech community is completely busted. Why? When I was young and I was 16 when I started to learn programming because we were playing Counter-Strike, right? That was my story. I was playing Counter-Strike and we were making these client sites and we were making these servers and all that stuff. But in my day, there was no such a tech community, right? Right now, that's the problem. And I think it's a handicap. It's the biggest disease that lives on the internet, and the biggest disease. It's a blocker for people that are willing to learn how to code right now, and that's social media. Because when I started out, there was no such thing as YouTube was there-ish, right? It was not as big as now, and you needed to figure out yourself. There was nobody that could tell you you're bad. You need to use this, TDD, DDD. All that stuff, these things didn't exist, you know? So you were always good. People were always cheering at you. They were always helping you. You know what I mean? Because there was nothing to gain. There was nothing to sell you at that time, right? There was nobody to get attention from, viewers from. And it was PHP or it was JavaScript, and there was no React. There was nothing. It was just jQuery and JavaScript, HTML, CSS was so easy. And you had Python and you had Ruby. But back in my day, that were, Ruby, that's special syntax. I'm going to stay away from that. You know what I mean? I don't know what it is. I cannot even barely understand HTML. Let's then go to Ruby. So we stick with the basic things. PHP, MySQL, CSS, HTML, these simple things. But right now, if you want to start to program, where is this thing? This chart? Where I don't know where it is, but people are everywhere. They're everywhere. You're doing everything wrong. You're not using the right stack. Your programming language is slow. Your programming language is bad. Nobody is using your programming language. There are no jobs in your programming language. You're not going to get paid enough in your programming language. You're basically a fat loser. That's what they're telling you. I go to Reddit for some help. They're telling you you're a fat loser. Okay, I go to Stack Overflow to get some help. They're telling you you're a fat loser. You go to Twitter. They're telling you you're a fat loser. You know what I mean? It's sad, but it's true. It's sad, but it's true. The tech community is completely busted. Why? Because I'm sitting here in front of YouTube making reaction videos. That's why. I don't want to do this, but I need to. You know what I mean? I'm getting forced to do this while I could basically spend these 10, 15 minutes extra to show you something in code. You know what I mean? To show you something valuable. To show you something that is the undisputed truth that could make you some money, that could basically give you a raise in your paycheck or something. I don't know. You know what I mean? To learn you something you didn't know. But hey, here we are doing reaction videos. Thanks to the tech community. Thank you very much.